So we are at Erekyam camp, and he has got us fresh honeybee directly. So if you see out here, there is fresh honeybee out here, and we'll be trying it. I'm lucky to have it. This is the wax as well with the honeybee. So I'm gonna try this. Amazing. No, don't kill. So this is the wax. This is the bee wax. So I'll show you this. So this is actually in which the honey is stored. Amazing. So we are in Erekyam camp. So there is a very beautiful creature out here, Sarshal turtle here. It is a resident in this area, in this camp. We found it here. A lovely creature. If you see, it has gone completely retreated inside to save itself. And I will not trouble it more, but good, we will have water for this creature as well. So I will leave it back, give it back to them. Go. So hi guys, good morning. We are at Erekyam camp, Hills range in Hills Tiger Reserve. So we have done the solar installation of 1 HP through Project Aquarius at a very interesting place. This is a camp in the core area of the forest. We have an open well out here from where we have taken up the water. Just to tell you, this area is extremely dry. 8 kilometer stretch there is no water here, and all the animals here actually migrate out of the forest. So what generally the forest is doing, they dig up the sand here, and then they collect some water there, which is not enough for the animals in summers. So we have done here actually 2 water bodies, and we have given water to the camp. I will show you the place where the camp people were drinking water from, and this was the state of the misery they were living in here. So we'll show you the place that also. So we have given water to this camp. If you see out here, we have done the solar installation up there. That side there is the well out here. Neeraj, if you can show the well there. That side there is the well, and this side we have the water bodies, and the other side there is a water body. So we have given water here, and if there is enough sufficient water, the forest people will also connect this to another water body which is 2 kilometers away from here. This This is our water body at Erekyam that we are gonna give water. If you see, there are some spotted deers and there are peacocks as well here.